If Nigeria said they are not fighting, they allowed us to overrun you people. Where will you pass? You will jump over a job people. Over Ogoni people to come and do your Biafra. Where will you pass to go and do your Biafra? You have run your mouth against people who are your salvation, who will shoulder you, who will do everything. You have lost everything. Biafra is dead forever. It will never come. As I fight you, my children will be more brutal to you than myself. Wallahi, I'm telling you. You come and talk rubbish in front of Ijaw people, in front of an Ijaw man. I told you, I will smoke Nnamdi Kanu out. Anyone, that's your man in Finland, whether Nigeria is ready for him, wait, I will bring him to justice. I'm looking for a contract. They've not given me now. Do you know the level I operate? You don't even know me. I've been moving with president and kings outside Nigeria long time ago. I'm not assumptuous. If I had known Nigerian president since when nobody knew him, is it today? So let us come back. So you come and tell people that it will never happen. Judge will not serve that Abi children. Judge will not serve.